is special for this machine. This machine has servo motor. It is CNC type. For a servo motor, it is mainly responsible for the wooden veneer feeding. This machine has high speed, high accuracy, and easy for operation. By changing the curved cutting blades, you can produce different sizes or shapes of products. This is the LCD operation screen. This is the inner side of control cabinet. In this LCD screen, you can set the feeding widths. When setting the feeding widths, you need to ensure a reasonable wastage width. The blade width plus the wastage width, it is the feeding width. The blade width here is also equal to the width when the product is wet.
再来。
More detailed introduction. Is the wood boring process necessary? It is a very good question. Every product has its mature technology for making. For us, we kindly suggest you to do the wood boring before rotary cutting and curved cutting. After the wood is well bored, it will be made into high-quality veneer and also products. When the veneer is hot with certain moisture and temperature, it is very easy for processing. This is a servo motor for this machine. These are the curved cutting blades. This is the position for installing the blades. This is a white-based board. It is for protecting the blades. For curved cutting blades, it can be made according to your size. This is a white-based board. This is the spring. This is the sensor. We insist a high-quality machine and a professional service. We can provide you CE certificate. Our machines are widely exported to more than 35 countries. Thank you for every customer's trust. We also have our own import and export company. If you have any questions for this machine and also related project, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to visit our company website. This is our WhatsApp number. You can get in touch with us by WhatsApp, by email, or by WeChat. This is our email address. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your kind watching. Welcome to subscribe our channel. Thank you.